So you are interested in Instant Pot LUX60V3? No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 rice cookers on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 rice cookers, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the Instant Pot LUX60V3. It was a very close run thing, but we've plumped for the Instant Pot LUX60V3 as our runner-up for the best rice cooker. Instant Pot is a smart multi-use electric pressure cooker designed to be convenient, dependable and safe. It speeds up cooking by 2 to 6 times, making it extremely energy efficient, while preserving nutrients and preparing healthy, tasty dishes. Instant Pot Lux V36 Indiana 1 programmable multi-cooker replaces 6 kitchen appliances. It combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté, steamer, and warmer. It built with the latest 3rd generation technology with an embedded microprocessor. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.